How to stop forwarding emails from a Hostinger account. So let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. Next, you will need to click the Email tab on the left side of the screen. And on this screen, you need to click and enter the Mailboxes section corresponding to the domain in which the email account is associated. I have only one domain in my account, vibeskill.io. If you have more than one domain in your Hostinger account, select the domain's mailbox. Here we have two email accounts set up in Hostinger. You can see one of the email accounts has an active forwarding email set up with it. Now we'll need to remove it. To do that, just click on the Forwarders tab on the left side of the screen. On this page, under Manage Your Forwarders, you can see both the Hostinger email account and the forwarding email account. On this page, go ahead and click here. Then choose the Delete option from the list. After that, confirm deleting the forwarding email account. And that's it. Forwarding emails from this Hostinger account has now been stopped. You can see there is no active forwarding email connected with this Hostinger account anymore. And we're done. With this, we've come to the end of the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share. Thank you.